Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are running a WooCommerce store and want to boost your sales more easily, then this video is for you. Before starting that video, I have a question for you. Would you like to grow your sales without spending a lot of money? Then you can use upsell and cross-sell. Upsell and cross-sell is the best option for you. You can spend almost 64% less money to boost your business or sales.
Upselling is the process of influencing customer to buy a more expensive version of a product or service they are already considering. This increases the average order value. On the other hand, cross-selling is a way to generate complementary sales from the same customers, whether from the same product or different ones. Upselling and cross-selling both are sales techniques for increasing revenue by encouraging customers to take just one more action. Have you ever shopped on Amazon? You will see multiple upsell and cross-sell recommendations. For example, here under the sunglass, you can see more recommendation, product related to this item, frequently bought brands, and much more. The winning factor is that these strategies can generate 42% more revenue.
So the question remains, how can you easily set up that upsell cross-sell into your WordPress website? There are tons of plugins in this industry, but today I will talk about a new yet a powerful one.
The plugin has 3,000 active users, a 4.8 average ratings, and 45 plus 5 stars rating in WordPress territory. This would be a great addition to the learning list for developers, market experts, and anyone willing to sell more for less spending. Now, an important note. I think you should remember, this is a collaborative video, but I will speak in depth as I always do with my audience. So let's get started.
The plugin I'm talking about is UpsellWP. Yes, it's a very powerful plugin. In this video, I will show you how it works, how you can use it, where you can use it, and obviously a coupon code for you people. Also, I will explain what makes the UpsellWP different than other plugins. So stay tuned.
What is the starting feature? Well, it's the checkout recommendation. It's free. You can set recommended products on your checkout page. It encourages customers to add more to their cart before completing their purchase. According to a study of LiveSite, 75% of the customers are more likely to buy based on personalized recommendation. Isn't it great for you? I think yes. Now, the next feature is the post-purchase recommendation. It's for free also. You can turn on the time buyers into repeat customers by showcasing special offer. You can set it right after they have made a purchase. Let me show you the next feature called frequently bought together. With this feature, you can add data-driven suggestion to display products that are frequently bought together. This influences many buyers to purchase the group. As a result, it increases per order value.
Cart Upsell is the next feature of this plugin. This is a feature that allows you to show last-minute offers.
Our next feature is similar to Cart Upsell. The feature name is Double the Order. It's an interesting name. You can recommend double the current order instantly with just one click. Customer can avail a new offer while the store owner will get double sales. Amazing, isn't it? Let's move into the next feature of UpsellWP. You can offer a special coupon and discount code for the next order. This simple strategy can foster customer loyalty and keep them coming back for more again and again. Similar to the last feature, you can set a thank you offer for your customers. This feature allows you to show complimentary product on the thank you page to make each sales even more significant.
Now, I'm moving to the next feature, which is Upsell Pop-up, Cart Add-on, and then Product Add-on. These all are into the list.
Upsell Pop-up, which will allow you to add pop-ups strategically to suggest additional products when customer clicks button like Add to Cart, Proceed to Checkout, or Place the Order. Product Add-on for recommending additional products on the product page, either before or after Add-on Cart button. Cart Add-on helps you to suggest additional products directly on the cart page, right below each item a customer has added.
There is more. you can check into the landing page of this plugin. But the interesting fact is you can start everything for free.
UpsellWP brings a lot of features undoubtedly, but I want to show you how easy it is to set up recommendation for your store. If you need anything, any kind of help or suggestion, feel free to ask in the support box. The premium version link is available in the description box below. We had really a hard time finding out the limitations of this plugin because it's one of the most completed plugins we have ever reviewed. And you can achieve everything you need to grow your revenue. If you still have to say some limitations, then I would say post-purchase will be supported by a only limited number of payment methods. But I think you can ignore it because it's not a big issue. Now, let's talk about the pricing. The current pricing starts in $69, which is $99 for professionals and $199 for agencies. Also, it comes with the 14 days money-back guarantee. What do you think? Isn't it a good deal?
Pretty affordable price, isn't it? Especially when you consider these features with the premium version. But still, we have a coupon code for you.
Use INF20 in the checkout and you will get 20% of saving instantly on all the packages. Voila! Are you developing a website for a client or are you a solo entrepreneur? According to the study, upselling and cross-selling can boost average order value up to 30%. Can you believe? Up to 30%. It's definitely amazing.
Well, that's all about UpsellWP. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go grab UpsellWP and boost your business. If you have any question in your mind, just write down the question in our comment box. We will try to get back as soon as possible. And also, we'll try to get more interesting videos for you people. Till then, cheers!